How would you like to be able to earn done-for-you Clickbank commissions while AI does all the work for you? All you need to do is pick a Clickbank product that you want to earn commissions on, click a single button, and let AI create commissions for you. Because that's exactly what you can do with my new CB Builder AI software. The software will build you complete, monetized Clickbank affiliate sites using the power of AI. With this new software, everything is 100% done for you. All you need to do is pick a Clickbank product you want to earn commissions on, let the software create the content for you. It'll insert your affiliate link into the content. It'll set up your entire commission site for you in just a matter of minutes. With just a couple clicks, you'll go from a blank site to a completely done for you Clickbank affiliate product review site, and you can finally start generating Clickbank commissions. Now, the best thing about the software is it is completely beginner friendly. All you need to do is upload the software to your site, pick a Clickbank product you want to earn commissions on, and let CB Builder AI do all the work for you. The software will go out, use its custom built commission generating GPT to write you product reviews to start earning you commissions. And the best part is, each product you add to your site is like a passive income seed, and those seeds grow your commission potential. And you can go out and plant as many of those seeds as you want with almost no work on your part. And from there, it's just rinse and repeat simple. And in fact, software is so powerful, you can earn your first commission in the next 15 days. Now with the software, you get a custom built AI GPT that's geared for generating you commissions by creating high converting reviews of Clickbank products that you select. And the whole process is completely done for you. And if you're just getting started online, don't worry, we have full training available for you that'll walk you through the entire process. So if you're ready to finally start generating some Clickbank affiliate commissions, go ahead and grab your copy of the CB Builder AI software today. Again, in just a matter of minutes, by later today, you'll have a complete, monetized Clickbank affiliate review site, all created for you with the power of AI and our custom-built GPT. All you need to do is pick a product, grab your affiliate link, and let the software do everything else for you. It'll create the content, it'll add your affiliate link throughout the content. We have done-for-you images to use in your post, and all you simply do is click Create, and it'll set it all up, add it to your site, and it'll be ready to start earning you commissions. So again, if you want your first Clickbank affiliate review site set up by later today, go ahead and grab your copy of the CB Builder AI software right now. Give you a quick walkthrough of how easy it is to set up and build your Clickbank affiliate review site using the CB Builder software. So I have the plugin installed on my site here. So to use the plugin, all I need to do is give the software a product name and an affiliate link, and it will do the rest. So for example, I can enter the product name of Java Burn. So I just went over to Clickbank. Currently, the top selling product on all of Clickbank is Java Burn. So I'm gonna do that for this example. So I put in Java Burn, I add my Clickbank affiliate link, and all I need to do is hit generate. And the software will go out and write a full product review on the Java Burn software, and it'll go through and insert my affiliate link throughout the content. So you can see it's now written my content, so it has kind of an overview of the product, and you can again see here, everywhere the review has the product name Java Burn in, it's going to put my Clickbank affiliate links. You can see those are linked. It's going to go through and kind of list out some key features, some pros and cons, and then also an overall review. So my entire review is set up, my affiliate links are in there. All I need to do now is give it a title. So I'll just put Java Burn review, will it work for you? And then I can either go ahead and search for a featured image. So we have the Pixabay API integrated into the software. So you have access to over 5 million copyright-free images you can use, or if you already have an image, you can upload that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload my own image. And then from there, all I need to do is simply click on Create Article, and the software will go out, format it all, put it on your site, create a post, and it is ready to go. So we can go take a look at it now. So if I go to my site, you can see my first review is up and ready to go. So I can click on that and you can see it brought in the title of the post. There is the featured image I inserted, and then it has the full review with our affiliate links in it ready to go. So I can go ahead and do this for as many products as I want. As you can see, it only takes a couple seconds to create each one. So for example, I could also do the Pure Revive product, which is another top seller on Clickbank. I hit generate. Again, this time we could use the built-in images, so I can search for an image. And this is a weight loss product, so let's say I go with this one. I can add my title. So I'm just gonna put Pure Revive review, is it just hype? So create the article, I hit create, and we're all set. So again, we can repeat this process. It just takes a matter of seconds to do each review. Everything is done for you. And then of course, each time you add one, it is added to your site. So that is all there is to it. That is how easy it is to start building a Clickbank review site, not having to write any content, not having to manually go out and create the posts or insert your affiliate links or format the site. It's all taken care of for you with the CB Builder software.